A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. So you're praying about something and no change now come. Search yourself to see if you really have genuine compassion for the person or the people them where in the situation where you are pray about and where you want to see a change come about. Follow Jesus' example. Him did already know when did I go do in a Lazarus situation, but still him find it in him heart for baal with the people them who did a baal. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop a comment below, share it with your friend them. And remember say, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button. It now go cost you nothing. And the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 11, from verse 17 to verse 44. When Jesus reached, him find say Lazarus did done in the grave for 4 days. Bethany did there less than 2 miles from Jerusalem. And enough of the Jew them will come from Jerusalem side, they'd come for Ush, Martha and Mary and make them feel better. Cause them brother did dead. No. When Martha hears said Jesus didn't come, she go for meet him. But Mary turned back at the yard. Lord, Martha said to Jesus, if he did there, my brother wouldn't dead. But me know say even now, God will give you anything you ask him for. Jesus said to her, say, your brother go come back alive. So Martha answer him and say, me know him going to come back alive on the day when the world end and people come back alive. Then Jesus said to her, say, me are the one who make people come back alive. And me make people live. Anybody will believe in me, I go live. All of them dead. And them we alive and believe in me, them now go dead. You believe this, yeah? Yes, Lord, she said. Me believe, say, you are the Christ. You are God boy pitney. We come in the world. After Martha said this, yeah, she go call Mary, our sister, one side and tell her, say, the teacher there, and he might ask for you. When Mary hear this, yeah, she get up fast and go which part Jesus did there. No, Jesus never reach in at the town yet. Him did there the same place which part Martha did meet him. When the Jew them from Jerusalem went in at the house a hush Mary, see how she get up fast and go away. Them follow back her, cause them did feel say she did a go at the grave, go baal for her brother. When Mary reached which part Jesus did there, she drew up herself for him foot and said, Lord, if you did uncle there, my brother wouldn't dead. When Jesus see her Alana ball and see the Jew them, when it come with her a ball too, him heart move. Which part on put him? Jesus asked them. Come, Lord, come and see. Them said to him, JIIZAS BAAL. Then the Jew them say, could they? Uno see how much indeed love him. But some of them say, that man ya make the blind man can see. So he couldn't do something to make Lazarus not dead. When Jesus see, touch him heart one more time. And then go which part the grave did they? No. The grave, I did one cave with one stone in front of it. Take with the stone, Jesus say. But Lord, the dead man's sister Martha say, by now the place must smell bad. Because of 4 days, he mean there for. Then Jesus say, don't me tell you, say, if you believe, you would have see, oh God, big and powerful. So they move with the stone. Then Jesus look up in the sky and say, Father, me thank you for listening me. Me know say you ever listen to me. But me are sitting here for the sake of the crowd of people when they are so that them can believe. Say, are you send me come? After Jesus don't say that, him bawl out loud say, Lazarus, come out. The dead man come out with him hand and foot, them tie up with piece of cloth. Piece of cloth did wrap around him face. Then Jesus said to them, say, take the grave clothes off of him and make him go on. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.